Can Alzheimer's disease actually be prevented? Or is it something we simply have no control over? This is one of the most important and emotional questions in modern health science, because Alzheimer's doesn't just affect memory. It affects identity, independence, relationships, and quality of life. And many people believe it is completely unavoidable, something that happens only because of age or genetics. But here's what science is starting to show. While there is no guaranteed way to fully prevent Alzheimer's, there are many lifestyle factors that can significantly reduce the risk or delay its onset. And that changes everything, because it means your daily habits may play a much bigger role in brain health than you think. In today's video, we'll break down what science currently says about Alzheimer's prevention, what increases risk, what protects the brain, and the lifestyle changes that may help support long-term cognitive health after 60. And make sure you stay until the end, because one of the most powerful brain-protecting habits is something many people completely underestimate. What is Alzheimer's disease? Alzheimer's disease is a progressive brain disorder that slowly affects memory, thinking, behavior, and the ability to perform daily activities. It is the most common cause of dementia in older adults. Over time, brain cells become damaged and lose connection with each other, which leads to problems with memory, reasoning, language, and decision-making. Early symptoms may include forgetting recent events, confusion about time or place, difficulty finding words, and changes in mood or personality. As the disease progresses, these symptoms become more severe and can significantly impact daily life. And because Alzheimer's develops gradually, many people don't notice early changes until the condition has already progressed. That's why prevention and early risk reduction are so important.
Can Alzheimer's be prevented? The honest scientific answer is, we cannot guarantee prevention, but we can influence risk. Research shows that Alzheimer's is caused by a combination of factors, including genetics, aging, brain health, cardiovascular health, lifestyle, and environment. And while we cannot change age or genetics, we can influence many other risk factors. This is where science becomes hopeful. Studies suggest that up to 40% of dementia cases may be linked to modifiable lifestyle factors. That means things like physical activity, diet, sleep, stress, education, and social engagement may all play a role in brain health. So while there is no perfect prevention, there is strong evidence that healthy habits may help reduce risk or delay cognitive decline. And even small changes can make a difference over time. Risk factor number 1, heart and blood vessel health. One of the strongest links in Alzheimer's research is the connection between brain health and heart health. The brain depends on healthy blood flow to function properly. Conditions like high blood pressure, diabetes, high cholesterol, and poor circulation can increase the risk of cognitive decline over time. That's why what is good for the heart is often good for the brain. Regular physical activity, balanced nutrition, and managing blood pressure can all support both heart and brain health. Even simple daily walking can help improve circulation and oxygen flow to the brain. And over time, this may help protect cognitive function. Risk factor number 2, physical inactivity. Lack of movement is another major risk factor. Physical activity supports brain health in multiple ways. It improves blood flow, reduces inflammation, supports mood, and may help stimulate the growth of new brain connections. Studies suggest that regular exercise is associated with better memory and slower cognitive decline. And the good news is that exercise does not need to be intense. Walking, stretching, light strength training, or even household activity can all contribute to brain health. The key is consistency, because the brain responds to regular stimulation, not occasional effort. Risk factor number 3, diet and nutrition. What you eat also plays an important role in brain health. Diets rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, healthy fats, and lean proteins are associated with better cognitive function. Foods that support brain health include leafy greens, berries, nuts, fish, and olive oil. On the other hand, Highly processed foods, excessive sugar, and unhealthy fats may contribute to inflammation, which is linked to cognitive decline. One dietary pattern often studied in relation to brain health is the Mediterranean-style diet, which focuses on whole, nutrient-rich foods. While no single food can prevent Alzheimer's, overall dietary patterns may influence long-term brain health.
Risk factor number 6, sleep and stress. Sleep plays a major role in brain health. During sleep, the brain processes memories and clears waste products. Poor sleep quality over time may negatively affect memory and cognitive function. Chronic stress is also a concern. Long-term stress can affect brain structure and function, especially in areas related to memory and decision-making. That's why stress management techniques like relaxation, meditation, breathing exercises, or gentle physical activity may be beneficial. Supporting emotional health is also part of protecting brain health. What science does not say. It is important to be clear about what science does not currently prove. There is no guaranteed method to completely prevent Alzheimer's. No supplement, no single food, and no specific exercise can promise full protection. But research strongly supports the idea that lifestyle choices influence brain health risk. And this is empowering, because it means you are not powerless. You can take steps that may support long-term cognitive health. Even if you cannot control everything, you can influence many important factors.
The most important takeaway. If there is one message science consistently supports, it is this. What is good for the body is often good for the brain. Healthy heart, regular movement, good nutrition, quality sleep, mental stimulation, social connection, stress management. These are not just general health habits, they are brain-supporting habits. And the earlier and more consistently they are practiced, the better the potential long-term benefit. Alzheimer's disease is one of the most challenging conditions of aging. And while there is currently no guaranteed way to prevent it, science gives us something very important: hope and direction. Because lifestyle choices matter, and small daily habits can support brain health over time. Healthy aging is not about fear. It is about awareness and making choices that support both body and mind. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content about brain health, healthy aging, memory improvement, and senior wellness. And in the comments below, tell us, which habit do you think is most important for brain health? Thanks for watching, stay informed, stay active, and we'll see you in the next video.